Hey YouTube, it is about 2:30 in the morning here, and I'm just wrapping up this customer's Jeep. It's a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. We put a little control panel next to the shift column here, and with the dual battery switch from Blue Sea Systems, which is actually a relay under the hood that has a remote control switch. And then we put backup lights on. The backup lights actually come on with reverse, or you can flip the switch on and turn them on. Fog lights is down here. This Jeep was not equipped with fog lights, so that's why we added them. So this is no lights on, actually just the daytime running lights on, which are on when the engine's running. And then this would be the fog lights. And then we added fog light high beam combine. Fog lights actually have two different beams in them. They have a fog light pattern and they have a high beam pattern, and this LED is actually out and I've got to get this switch replaced. But anyways, let me show you what that looks like. So let me show you this. So this is fog lights, and don't ask me what brand all this stuff is. The customer had already had it on the Jeep. This is standard low beams, standard high beams, and then watch this. That's the fog lights, the fog light high beams. So I'm gonna go to these trees like up here because this is just ridiculous. So I got the garage lights on behind me, which, so you can see that the trees exist. This is the fog lights only. Regular low beams only. Regular low beams and fog lights. But then check this out. Go to the high beams, turn the high beam override on, which is a different actual pattern. And you can see the difference. So it's pretty slick. The video doesn't do it justice. This is literally bitching. Yeah, pretty slick. Then the charging relay is Blue Sea Systems. So pretty much you can kill the charging relay, which disconnects the batteries, or the top position of that button automatically connects them and allows you to jumpstart yourself. It connects the batteries. Then the center position in between the two, which is where it is now, center position is just the automatic charging relay. When it senses the alternator running for about 30 seconds, it will automatically connect. But this is a sweet little system here, and actually the little icons don't show up very well in the video with my flashlight off. But pretty neat little system. I gotta replace this light here because these other ones have nice lights behind them, but for some reason this one does not, and it's not a wiring problem. I checked it for about an hour, which is why it's 2:30 in the morning. So, but a neat little system nevertheless. There's actually a physical control on the Blue Sea relay to actually physically connect or disconnect the batteries if the switch or this wiring to this switch goes bad. So it's like triple redundant. It's really neat. And of course, Blue Sea Systems is a marine company. This is for a boat, and this is for like if you're stranded and you have a house battery and a starting battery for your engine, you can start your boat engine with that, and it's really, really neat. So and it definitely has its place on a Jeep. Fully waterproof, neat little system. His winch runs on the second battery, so right now we're charging both batteries, and then you could turn that system off, but turn it back. If I go to on and then to off, if you go to off and then on and off, it overrides the 30-second timer, is what I found. So yeah, it's pretty neat actually. Pretty neat. So I got this one ready to go here and ready for the next one. But yeah, neat little Jeep job, and yeah, it's one and done. It's actually, he's a good customer. I do a lot of things for him. So anyways, yeah, sweet. Another one out the door. So have a good night, YouTube.